Here's an example of residential solar project where a layout was developed using Enact. We have 21 solar panels facing south on a residential property. There's a chimney here, you can see, that has about 2 feet height, and so there's a little shade in the winter, and we have accounted for 5% shade on the system. We have two inverters that are used, 7.5 kilowatt total capacity, and now generates enough power to have 92% bill savings on the property. So now if you had to go ahead and present this proposal, you can price this and present it using a PDF proposal setup. So we have a template here. We are going to use a residential example, and you can download this and show it to the customer. The proposal has about 7.6 kilowatts as we did, saves 92% on the bill, and the layout here is the 2D visual we did with Enact's proposal layout tool on a Google image, and has a certain size and price. I'm going to go forward now and finish this proposal. If I'm now interested in redoing this with a different image, not the layout image we have done using Enact, but a different image in AutoCAD or some other design software, you can select this from the drop down. You'll upload your own panel layout image, and once you do that, so in this case I will upload a picture. This is a 3D design of the home. It was done with different software, and we now have the same number of panels, of course, and in this case I will have 21 panels facing due south, and the 5% shade, and of course the inverter choice again to make sure we have the same output using the post PV electric rates and the losses. So I get exactly the same output again. We have 92% savings and 1588 generation, and I'm now going to go ahead and upload the pricing, and here it's $2.6 a watt. It's the same price as before, same financials. I'm going to go ahead and download the proposal, and just like last time, once I open it up I can see as I scroll down again the same numbers for savings and generation, but now we have uploaded a different image, which is the one we just chose, the 3D image, of course the same price and the same financials. So this is an excellent way to show you how versatile Enact software can be if you have to choose between different solutions and test out different ways of presenting information to the same customer. Thank you.